All right. So this is what it is. Yeah. So we can continuing further. So excuse me. So we can do what? We can basically update only values in a dictionary. We cannot update keys in a dictionary. So this is what it is. We can update only values in a dictionary. We cannot update keys in a dictionary. All right. So this is what it is. All right. And we cannot also using get function. We cannot update values also. So this shows us what syntax is. Cannot assign to function call dot get. We cannot assign values using get function. Using this, we can assign values, new values to dictionary. Let's say I want to do what? Let's say I want to update dictionary. That means I want to add a value to the dictionary. So how will I do that? A6. 6 is will be what? Just like 5 was our key. So 6 is also what? 6 is also our key. 216. So this is what it is. This is how we add values in a dictionary. Similarly, all right. Any doubts?
No, Utkarsh, I'm good.
No doubts?
No, I am
Okay,
also good.
okay, great. So this is how we add elements in a dictionary. Just a second, let me check one mail. Just a second. All right. So any doubts? No doubts. Very good. All right. So moving ahead further. All right. Talking about what? Talking about removing elements in a dictionary. Removing elements in a dictionary. All right. So how do we remove elements in a dictionary? So let us have a look at. So a dot pop. So if we write a dot pop and if we run it, so it will show what? It will show an error. In list, what happened is that list we used to write an empty pop and it gave us what? It gave us what? It gave us a remove. It removed an element. It gave us an output of the removed element. That was the last element of the list. Now, but here what we need to do is that let us write what? Let us write 6 over here. Here we need to write a key of the dictionary. All right. And now if we run it, so as you can see, 6 has been vanished. 6 has been vanished. All right. So a dot pop key, and it will do what? It will basically remove the element of the dictionary. All right. Any doubts?
No.
One doubt is there. Can we let's say the uh, value of first key is one, right? Now, if I need to change the value of first key to empty value instead of one, is it possible?
Empty value.
Yeah, empty integer basically. I
Empty
know it
integer.
can be done to, yeah, yeah. So basically, I mean to say no value for index one. Sorry, for key
Empty
one.
integer. See, empty integer तो does not exist. है ना? It is either an empty string.
Okay, so we can make empty string, I'm aware, but not sure if we can
Empty.
stay
See,
without providing.
even in pandas also, है ना? There you must be finding a lot of missing values. है ना?
Oh,
Empty
okay.
values. है ना? They are also what? They are also nan. They are called as
Mm-hmm.
nan. है ना? So
Mm-hmm.
they are what? Not applicable values, null values. है ना? So they are also considered as a string.
Okay, it will be an empty string basically.
Yeah. And if you want to basically create an empty value, you can do with this np.nan. But that we'll study when we study NumPy.
Oh, okay, 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 okay,
Then I'll remember this. Then I'll show you.
okay,
हाँ, we can empty string होता है, empty integer तो zero हो जाता है. All right.
yeah,
np.nan से भी एक सेकंड में ट्राई करता हूँ ना. ये nan आ रहा
okay,
है ना. ये भी अगर एक सेकंड वैसे भी लिया तो ये numpy में जाएगा, स्ट्रिंग लेगा, फ्लोट लेगा. स्मॉल एन. एक सेकंड मैं आपको एक चीज दिखाता हूँ. सॉरी, एक सेकंड. एक चीज दिखाता हूँ. वेदर हाँ, तो जैसे यहाँ ये रहा है ना, ये देते
okay,
हैं, ये देखिए नैन है ना. वही नैन तो है.
okay,
वही नैन तो है ना.
yeah,
ठीक.
yeah,
तो इसमें देखिए नैन और TSH SD3 लेते हैं नैन है ना. इसको अगर हम इन्फो पे जाएं, फ्लोट तो दिखाए तो स्ट्रिंग दिखाता था. TSHD जैसे देखें हम, जैसे देखिए 1.0 है ना. 1.0
okay, okay,
है ना. 1.0 1.0 यहाँ नैन लिखा हुआ है ना. तो यहाँ पे देखिए ये क्या दिखा रहा है, ये स्ट्रिंग दिखा रहा है, ऑब्जेक्ट यानी स्ट्रिंग है ना. सो ये,
okay,
हाँ, अगर ये पूरा एम्प्टी होगा तो ये इंटीजर या फ्लोट दिखाएगा. ये पूरा एम्प्टी क्या है SD3, एक सेकंड देना. SD3 पूरा जीरो नॉन, हाँ पूरा, पूरा एम्प्टी है तो फ्लोट दिखाएगा. पूरा एम्प्टी है तो फ्लोट दिखाएगा. थोड़ा भरा हुआ है 1.0 जैसे फ्लोट से भरा हुआ है, और बाकी नैन नैन है. तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट दिखाएगा, है ना। तो हाँ, ये कह सकते हैं एम्प्टी वैल्यूज कह सकते हैं, एम्प्टी वैल्यू कह सकते हैं, बट एम्प्टी इंटीजर नहीं कह सकते। So this is an empty value. Empty value, null value has no value.
Okay. Okay.
हाँ, empty value कह सकते हैं, empty integer नहीं कह सकते।
Okay.
So we can do that with the help of np.nan. ये
Okay.
हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे, जब numpy पे आएंगे तब पढ़ेंगे। Alright,
Okay.
any doubts?
No,
Any
Utkarsh,
doubts?
I'm good.
Ravi, any doubts?
I'm good now. Thank you.
Alright. So it is empty value, empty integer type thing does not exist. So moving ahead further, so we are talking about what? Let me run this. हाँ, so this is what it is, a dot pop. All right. So this is how we remove elements in string. All right. अब एक बात आती है dot remove की, है ना? So let us check what dot remove does. Whether it will remove element just like your list, or whether it will throw an error. So let us check. So the basically the functions of these data structures, है ना? List, Python data structure, list, set, dictionary, tuples, they are almost similar, लगभग same, है ना? So this is what it is. So if we take remove and let's say we write 2 over here, so it is throwing an error. All right. Let us do what? Let us remove. All right. Let us remove what? Remove the 2. Even then it will throw error. So it means that remove, just for research based purposes. So remove does not exist in dictionary. Only two type of removing methods exist, and those are your pop and pop item. Pop and pop item. Now, please listen to this very carefully. According to theory, it says that it removes an item from the dictionary randomly. An item from the dictionary randomly. But whenever the past 3-4 years I've run, 98% of the time it has done what? It has removed the last element of the dictionary. I won't say 90, 99% of the time it has removed only the last element of the dictionary. Alright, so let us have a look at it. Pop item. See again, what was the last element of the dictionary? Item of the dictionary? 520, 125. Only once it removed randomly, and that too in a live class. So I was saying no, it removes the last element, it removes the last
Just to
element.
make your statement false, it got removed.
Yeah, and there were at least 20 people sitting in a live class, physically live class, and it removed an element randomly.
Nice.
So yeah, that happens sometimes. So that is why since that time in 2019 it happened. So since that time, I will say that in textbook or any blog or article you read, it says that it removes an item from the dictionary randomly, but 99% of the time it removes only the last element.
Last value.
Yeah, in my experience, 4 years of training experience, it has only removed once. So this is what it is. See, again, it has removed only the last element. So it will remove, if you read somewhere out pop item. नहीं last हाँ remove pop item removes a random item. We go to programmers. Now
O-
now they have
okay,
changed.
so
Now they might have changed the statement, but it when I last saw this website or W3 school website or programmers website, it always said that it removes random element. Now they might have changed. See, before
Now
अच्छा
it's written.
अच्छा 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 before 3.7. Okay, 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 got it. Before
Okay.
3.7, okay, okay.
Hmm.
Now currently it's Python 3.8 in my system. Okay, before 3.1 was returned and removed an arbitrary element. Even then it removed the last element only. Even then it removed the last element only. Back then during Python 3.0 days, it removed the last element only. And in textbook it used to say that it removes an item from dictionary randomly. Okay, so Python 3.7. Okay. All right. Okay, okay, got it. Currently, I think Python 3.9 or Python 4.0, 3.9 we have, I think. No, 3.4.
I I am using 3.11.6 in my laptop.
3.11,
3.11.1 in my laptop.
3.11.1, okay. बेटा वर्जन है सब, बेटा वर्जन है सब. अभी इसका ओरिजिनल वर्जन आएगा, सब टेस्टिंग वर्जन. जब when 2019 I used to work, I used to मतलब train students. So basically उसमें पाइथन 2.9 पे हम चल रहा था ओरिजिनल, मतलब जो बेटा वर्जन नहीं है ना, और
Okay,
3.0 बेटा वर्जन पे आई यूज टू ट्रेन, मतलब ये पार्ट टाइम. तो दिस इज व्हाट, हाँ यू आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन.
okay.
रवि आई थिंक, या.
Uh, oh, that one. Okay, I think you covered it already. Line number 102. I was about to
अच्छा
tell the same.
अच्छा अच्छा. Okay, even then also it used to remove last position, but in textbook it was mentioned randomly. All right, so moving ahead further. All right, so this is what it is. This is how we add elements in a dictionary. All right, so this is what it is. This, and this is how we remove elements by using key. All right, so next we have what? Next we have dot clear function. But before we proceed towards dot clear, we should talk about dot copy function first. So we have b is equal to a dot copy. All right, and we have what? We have clear function. So a dot clear, it will clear all the elements of the dictionary. Now it is what? It is an empty dictionary. All right, just like our.
Okay,
All right. So this is what we next. So this is what now we have B. All right, next is what? Next we'll be talking about del command. This will do what? This will entirely remove the dictionary. This will do what? This will basically entirely remove the dictionary. So we have clear copy, we have, all right, we have clear copy, we have del command, all right, that we had in list also. All right, so this is what it is. Any doubts, anyone?
No, Utkarsh.
No.
All right, great. So we have in dictionary also. Similarly, we have pop, right? So moving ahead further, let us say I added A6 is equal to, sorry, B, now A no longer exists. B, all right. Now let us see if we want to add B3, 27. Now where will B be placed? 3 be placed. So 3 will be placed after 6. So that means it dictionary does not sort itself automatically. Before Python 3.6 और 3.5, जब हम मान लीजिए यहाँ पे 1128 का आइटम है और 6216 का आइटम है, अगर हम B3 = 27 करते थे तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो क्या होता था, 2:8 सॉर्टेड वे में ऑटोमेटिकली लग जाता था. बट आफ्टर दैट इन पाइथन 3.8 such is not the case. It will get added, whatever you add will get
It will
added
be
to
adding
the
in the last position only.
last position, item position. Yeah, correct. So this is what it. Any other doubts? Anyone? Any doubts
No.
in this?
No, I'm good.
All right, great. Just give me 1 minute. I'll be back. All right. So this is what it is. Right. Now moving ahead further, talking about what? Talking about membership function test of dictionary. All right. Membership function test of dictionary. All right. So basically key membership function we talk about. Key member. It is we talk about वैसे it is membership function होता है, but what does how does it signify a membership? It signifies membership with the help of key in the dictionary. So if we take, what is the name of our dictionary? B. 1 in B. Now key 1 is present, excuse me, in B. Which is what is true. As if we write 2, let's say 8 in B, so it will give us what? Well, 8 as a key is not present. Values 6, 2, similarly 2 in B, similarly 3 in B. So it is what? It is a, excuse me. So it is what? It is a, it is a key membership function test or key membership function test of a dictionary. All right. Any doubts?
No, Utkarsh.
No.
No doubts. All right. So moving ahead towards dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehensions. So what are dictionary comprehensions? Let us have a look at. So we had list comprehensions. We have dictionary comprehension. All right. So let us say that we want to print um, this dictionary. We want to automate this dictionary such that we don't have to enter it manually but automate it. All right. So this is what it is. Dictionary comprehensions. All right. So moving ahead further, we had list comprehension. We have list comprehension में क्या होता था? X for X in range 1, 6. यहाँ मैंने लिखा, but डिक्शनरी कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में क्या होगा? लिस्ट स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स में होती है, डिक्शनरी आपके कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स में होती है, ठीक है। बट इसमें अगर हम एक्स फॉर एक्स इन रेंज डालेंगे तो ये हमें क्या डिक्शनरी मिल रही है? नहीं।
नहीं, डिक्शनरी में तो की एंड वैल्यू रहेंगे. So we have to
हाँ,
take S, X and Y.
हाँ, अब बता रहा हूँ मैं अभी। तो ये क्या है? ये डिक्शनरी नहीं तो क्या ये है? सेट।
Hmm.
ये क्या है? ये है सेट। सो डिक्शनरी के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? डिक्शनरी में की वैल्यू पेयर होना चाहिए,
Hmm.
है ना? जैसे
Okay.
मान लिया हमें इसको ऑटोमेट करना है तो कैसे करेंगे? ये ऑटोमेट हो जाएगा ना? कैसे हुआ? सो बेसिकली
Hmm.
फॉर हाँ, यस, ईशा, यू वर सेइंग समथिंग।
No, no, nothing.
Alright, so x colon x into x for x in range 1 comma x. So it will do what? It will read 1, store it in x, and 1 colon 1 into 1 will be stored, as you can see, 1 colon. Then it will read 2, 2 colon 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4. So 2 colon
Okay.
2 into 2, 4. Similarly, 3, 3 into 3 colon 3 into 3, and so on till 5. Similarly, now if we run this type, it will show what? It will show dict.
Utkarsh, one question here
Yeah.
in dictionary comprehension. अभी तो
हाँ,
जो
हाँ.
list हमें मिली है, that is
Hmm.
in that list, like if the key is 2, then the value will be 4. If the like it's double हो रही है value. But if in case that the value is not doubling, or the key is something and the value is any random value.
Then it depends on the logic,
Okay.
है ना? तो क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है क्वेश्चन की, है ना? तो उस पर डिपेंड करेगा, फिर जो लॉजिक होगा वो आपके कोलन के राइट साइड में इम्प्लीमेंट होगा,
Okay.
है ना? बट पैटर्न विल बी द सेम फॉर ऑल कीज, because it will follow a similar pattern. We cannot have two patterns at a time. It will throw an error. है ना? For example, x into x minus 1 or minus, let's say, 10, 20. See, random values are there. All right. Value double नहीं हो रही है ना? Am I making sense?
Yeah.
रैंडम वैल्यूज हैं, बट वैल्यूज क्या हो रही, डबल नहीं हो रही, है ना? अभी हमने क्या कर दिया, अभी हमने यहाँ पे एक्स क्यूब कर दिया, वो एक्स स्क्वायर था, एक्स इंटू एक्स। यहाँ हमने क्या कर दिया, एक्सपोनेंशिएशन लगा के एक्स क्यूब कर दिया, तो 1 क्यूब 1 ही होता, तो 1 - 20 -9, 2 क्यूब 8 होता, -12, 3 क्यूब 27 होता है, तो 7। तो पैटर्न सेम फॉलो होगा। तो
Okay. So
कई कभार क्या
उत्कर्ष,
होता
ये
है।
जो, हाँ,
प्लीज प्लीज।
ओके, सो जो ये x है, x के जो राइट साइड में वैल्यू है, जिसे x एक्सपोनेंशियल 3 किया हुआ है, इज इट पॉसिबल दैट वी टेक y देयर?
हाँ, वाई ले सकते हैं, बिल्कुल ले सकते हैं, बट what will y represent over there? We haven't
ओके।
defined it over here, na? We haven't defined it over there,
ओके।
है ना? So this is what it is. All right. Am I clear? Are we on the same page?
Yeah. And I have one more doubt actually.
All right.
So, for let's say the keys of the dictionary are integer and the values of the dictionary are strings. Let's say I need to assign a value uh, Delhi to key 1 and Hyderabad to key 2. During this kind of scenario, how we will handle dictionary comprehension? Like how can we achieve similar to line number 140?
Good question. Good question. We can do that with the help of list.
Oh, okay.
We can do
So
that
we
with the
need to
help of. हाँ,
map dictionary and list basically.
we can do that with the help of list. एक लिस्ट बना लें, फिर उसमें क्या करें, एक्स इन बी कर दें, है ना?
Okay,
एक लिस्ट
okay,
बना लें, उसमें एक्स इन बी कर दें, और उसके बाद क्या करें,
okay,
एक्चुअली दो लिस्ट बनाइए।
okay,
हाँ, दो लिस्ट बनाइए, उसमें एक्स इन बी कर दिए, यहाँ एक्स कर दीजिए, और यहाँ पे क्या करिए, वो लिस्ट जो दूसरी लिस्ट आपने बनाई है, उसमें जो जहां भी आपको की वैल्यू मैप करना हो, वो अपने हिसाब से
uh-huh.
आप कर लो, है ना?
Okay. Got it.
We can do that. We can do with the help of that. Yeah, and if you want, for example, Isha, to answer Isha's question, if you want any random value, you can create it in a list.
ओके।
I will show that to you definitely. I'll show that to you tomorrow. अभी तो time हो गया, only 2 minutes left. So I'll show that to you tomorrow.
ओके।
अभी इसमें अगर दिल्ली डालेंगे तो क्या होगा, तो सब में दिल्ली आ जाएगा। We can do what, we can create a list. No? X and B. हाँ, बन सकता है, and then we can create a.
उत्कर्ष, वन मोर क्वेश्चन। अभी
हम्म,
जो हम लोगों ने रेंज लिया है ना और x in range 1,6 है, तो इसमें वी आर ओनली गेटिंग सिंगल वैल्यू, की मिल रहा है, वैल्यू नहीं मिल रही है। बट अगर कोई भी डिक्शनरी का हम डॉट आइटम्स करेंगे तो इन दैट विल गेट पेयर्स, की एंड
नहीं
वैल्यू
नहीं,
पेयर।
that will throw an error.
ओके,
हाँ, that will throw an error. Dot items will throw an error. I've tried that when I was learning all of this. That throws an error. We can take list. We can take list over here. It will read it and it will map it. Yeah.
ओके,
Let's connect at 11. Are you all free 11 a.m.?
यस उत्कर्ष, आई एम फ्री।
Ravi, you are free?
Yeah, actually tomorrow I have some release, so I need to connect from 12 p.m. tomorrow. So for 11 to 12 I am okay, but I am just thinking for 12 to 1.
Okay,
I'll try to make myself available.
okay, okay. Okay, I'll see if we can start early if I get free from doctor appointment. I'll see
Yeah,
if I
sure,
can
no.
start early.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Utkarsh, one more thing. Please try to upload the video.
Yeah, I'll upload the video.